Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use multiple sound outputs in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to use multiple sound outputs, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to search and then open settings, and once you are in settings, just go to system and then go to sounds. Now under sound, we just have to scroll down and look for more setting under advanced. Click on more sound settings. It will open in your control panel section. Now once you are here, you just have to select recording and then right click on anyone here. Then select show disable devices. You might see all available but disabled devices. Just right click on this stereo mix. Then click on enable. Now once it's enabled, you just have to right click on it and then go to properties, then go to listen, and in listen section you have to make sure that listen to this device is enabled. Now just click on this section, and from here you have to select your device which you want to use. So you can select any one device if you want, and once you have done, just click on apply and then click OK, then OK again. Now you have successfully set it up your multiple devices, output devices in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.